Hello friends, in lecture 4 we have seen how to operate single acting cylinder with pneumatic push button. So in this session, in lecture 5 we will learn how to operate double acting cylinder. So again, you already know the software how to use. So add Simula, adding that Simula again. So we can rename it operate double acting cylinder with push buttons. So here also we will do same procedure. Go to the library. In library you will see and you have to search cylinder. Cylinder is available in actuator cylinder. So here you have to find double acting cylinder. This one is a double acting cylinder. Animation is also available, so you can check it. Can put in the workspace area. Then again go to the library, you have to find direction control valve to operate the double acting cylinder. So for that, you have to select 5 by 2 direction control valve. So 5 by 2 direction control valve with two push button because we are operating double acting cylinder. Now connect the airline same as before. You can put here also if you want to give some band. Click, click, and click. Go to the library again. You will see the flow lines, pressure lines. You have to connect. This one is always pressure line. 5 and 3 is the exhaust port. Go to the library and select and put. You can copy paste also. So now my pneumatic circuit is ready. Now you can save it and you can check it. Go to the simulation. Check simulation is on or not. So from that you can check it. Now this ball is running, that means simulation is okay. Press forward, reverse, forward, and reverse. Like that, you can design a circuit for double acting cylinder if you want to operate the double acting cylinder with the push button. So, thank you.